Okay, this is a quick tutorial for the gang at Gil's Garage on updating your website, gillsgarage.com, by adding some new used vehicles listings. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to, right now I'm in the actual used vehicles archive here, and I'm just going to scroll through real quick. I see there are 4 vehicles that are listed, and we've got some excerpts here. If you want to read more, of course you read more. I'm just going to show you a sample of one of these entries. Alright, so on your Malibu 2005 Malibu entry here, I actually resized these images to 600 by 400 just so you can see that, but I'll show you in a minute just how we're going to upload these pictures too. But I was showing you the large photo here. We got all of the specs that you provided here, and I made a little template that you can manipulate to make it say what you need it to for this particular entry. So what we're going to go ahead and log in, and I'm going to do that. I'm going to zoom in real quick so you can see over here. Come back. I'm going to zoom back out. You've got the WordPress admin button at the very bottom of your website on the left. Each one of you who's watching this, listening to this, you have your own login when we've got the website posted. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on that link there. Zoom back out. Of course, you have a username and the password. I have it set up where you can connect with your Facebook credentials as long as it's linked to the email address that I have for you. We're going to go ahead and log in here. And here we are. We got the dashboard here for WordPress. If you're not familiar with WordPress, blogging, all that good stuff, here it is. Here's the meat and potatoes of WordPress. On the left here you have posts. We're going to add a new post. Alright, so here we go. I'm zooming in and out. I'm probably giving you motion sickness. I'm sorry about that. But here we go. We got our categories here. We're going to start by choosing our category, which is used vehicles. Alright, and over here on another screen that you do not see, I have the information about this particular vehicle, which is a 2007 Chevrolet Impala. Alright, and so I just put that up there at the top in the title field. Alright, and then of course, just like any good email editor, what you see is what you get editor. You got all these great little style things here for you know, doing your post, writing your post. What I have created using a plugin is a Post Snippet. So basically this is what our template is. We're going to come to that here in just a second. First thing I'm going to do is upload a photo. I know I'm all over the place. I'm sorry you guys, it's Friday. Crazy day. And I'm going to upload a photo here right above your post editor. You have upload, insert. The very first thing, the square here, is for photos. Add an image. We're going to add an image from the computer. And if I can go find where you have all these used cars, here we go. Alright, now we got this is one of the photos. I'm going to use the one that's kind of a front view here for our 2007 Impala. 06 Impala, 06 Elantra, 06 Impala. Where are you, Impala? 2007. There's the rear view, and there is a side view. This is the only one I see, so I'm going to do the side view here. And so we just, you know, selected our file, we uploaded it. We need to put a title to this. We're going to say 2007 Chevy Impala. You can put whatever you like, but this is basically if the images are not coming up for you or for your visitor for some reason, they'll at least see this little title tag, or you know, they can see it when they hover over it. And you want to put that also in the alternate text. It's the same thing, just for different browsers. Since I resized these guys to 600 by 400, I'm going to keep this top image at 600 by 400, the full size. and I'm going to go back in and change it to where large is 600 by 400 as well. So that's just a reference for you there. So you don't have to resize it in any imaging program. I'm going to change that for you. So the top image you wanted at 600 by 400. Alright, you don't have to do anything else except for insert into post. Boom, there it is. Boom goes the dynamite. I'm going to add, again, the post snippet as I was talking about. You got your template. Choose this little sticky button right here above the text editor. And there's only one. It's use cars, and we're just going to insert that. Okay, so you can see there's some text here. We got it all formatted a certain way. And I'm going to grab the information real quick. I don't have it where I can copy it and paste it. I just have it in a PDF. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. This is a 3.5 liter. You see, 6-cylinder fuel injected FFV. Alright. So pretty much just like anything else, I am any other template, I'm going to change a few things to make it correct for this entry. Got your mileage, got your stock number, which was 434, and the color, I'm going to change that to white. I think this is going to save you guys a lot of time and maybe make updating your website something that is less of a chore. Alright, I'm just going to go ahead and type in the VIN number, and I'm going to make the changes that I need to here and here. I'm just going to make a couple of changes, and of course, I'll go back in and finish that. Just want to make sure that I wrote all that in there right, because it's a long number. 71077173. Oh man, I'm having a hard time. 9107173. Alright. Okay, so I'll come back to this and finish up, but just basically you have all of your items there that you can go in and fill in. And here's the price down here, which of course is different. I'm going to actually have to open up my notes to see what that price is. Give me just a moment. My apologies for the awkward silences. I see that the price is $10,995, so here we go. $10,995.00. We're gonna come back. I'm gonna come back and finish this, but right now I'm gonna do one last thing before we make our post here. Alright, we got post tags. That helps people if they're searching on the interwebs for your used cars. I'm just going to go ahead and put in, what the basics are. Actually, that was an Impala Chevy. You had a couple of Malibus in there. Just some keywords that you think would help people to find this. I'm just going to stop there, but you can always just add whatever you want in that particular field. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. Alright, and before I publish this, I'm going to take a look at what it is looking like. So here we go. I'm going to hit the preview button above the publish button here. Preview. I'm going to open that in a new tab so I can take a look. This is what your entry is going to look like. You got the big photo here. And there's something I left out. I want to add another photo because I have another photo to add. So I'm going to X out of that. So that's always good. I didn't publish it right away because there's something else that needs to be done. So here I am. I'm here above the price. That's where I've been putting these other photos. And I'm going to insert another image. Again, upload insert above our text editor. And I'm going to upload one more file. And I believe this is also the 2007 Impala. Alright, so here's the photo. I'm going to click open. Here it is. Okay, so again, 2007 Chevy Impala just what I happen to be putting there, copying and pasting it into alternate text. What I've been doing for these images on the bottom, you can always go back and change this just by clicking on the image itself within the editor. But I've been setting these at medium just so they're not as gigantic. You got a good view in large format at the top. So I'm going to go ahead and insert that into the post. Boom, there it is. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and publish this. I'll go back and change it later, and I'll show you what I'm doing there. So I'm going to zoom out, hit the publish button. Alright, so I want to view my post. And there it is. There's your 2007 Chevy Impala with all the trimmings, and here's the photo, and it's telling me to call and buy this car right now. And so there it is on your website. Let's say I want to make a change. I want to go back later after I've done this. If you click on posts, under posts on the left, you can see this list here. And here's your 2007 Chevy Impala. So I'm going to edit that. And we're right back where we were. Here's the post box with the editor. And I'm going to change a few things on this. And so obviously, when we're done, we can hit the update button where the publish button was before, and we've got our changes made. So there you go. That's your updating, adding another used car to your site. And I'm going to go ahead and make these changes now. So thanks for your time. Let me know if you have any questions.